Bakit nga ba Centrina Alaminos ang top pick ko for a dream home? Nung una, simple lang talaga ang hanap ko. Bahay na safe, accessible at syempre maganda. Pero nung nakita ko ang Centrina Alaminos Laguna, iba yung dating. Let me take you on a quick tour and ang kwento kung bakit 10 out of 10. I-recommend ko to sa kahit sinong naghanap ng forever home.
Flood-free and 24/7 secured. Yes, flood-free. Kahit umulan ng todo, worry-free ka. Gated community pa at may bantay 24/7. Kaya perfect lalo na kung may kids ka or senior sa bahay.
Elegant at matibay na house design. Hindi lang basta bahay kundi eleganteng tahanan. Grabe yung interior, classy pero warm. Sobrang tibay ng pagkakagawa. You'll be proud to call it home.
Prime location, nasa Maharlika Highway, 2 kilometers lang mula sa SM City San Pablo, malapit sa school, sa palengke, sa churches and hospital, malapit sa TR4 SLEX Station, mabilis ang biyahe to Manila.
Resort-inspired amenities, may clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court at playground. Feel mo talaga na parang everyday is a staycation.
Walang hidden charges. Ito yung pinaka nakakagaan sa loob. What you see is what you pay. Transparent lahat ng fees at hindi ka mahirapan kasi
Kami na magpo-process ng bank loan mo. No need to go through all the hassle. Kami na ang mag-aasikaso. All you need to do is wait for your loan approval.
Freebies galore, limited offer, transfer of title, check. Documentary stamp tax, check. First year insurance, check. Registration fee, check. Bank charges, check. Miscellaneous fees, check. Lahat yan, libre na.
Super affordable reservation fee starting at 20,000, reserve na ang bahay mo. Hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking halaga agad.
House model for every needs from 3 to 5 bedrooms, may option ka na, may balcony, carport, sliding door to lanai, high ceiling, even an attic from Labin and Amira models. Super spacious and stylish.
a community you'll be proud to live in. Tahimik, maliwalas. Friendly neighbors. Ang vibe, alam mong dito ka uwi ng may ngiti sa labi. Gusto mo rin ba ng ganitong lifestyle? Book a site viewing with us. And we are PCST Realty. Bye!